Hey there! So let's dive into the problem we have today. A curious viewer noticed something interesting about the vector t, push_back function, and had a question regarding its safety when used in conjunction with vector t, back. The viewer was wondering if it's safe to call push_back with the result of back, considering that a reallocation might occur. An intriguing problem indeed. Now moving on to the solution. Yes, it is safe to call push_back, s.back, given that the vector is not empty to begin with. The push_back function is implemented in a way that ensures it works as expected, without any specific precondition that could lead to unsafe behavior. However, it's important to note that using push_back, std, move, s.back, would not be safe. The standard library makes certain assumptions when dealing with revalue references, and this specific scenario could potentially lead to issues down the line. In summary, we've explored the safety of calling push_back with the result of back in a non-empty vector. While it is indeed safe to do so in this context, caution should be exercised when dealing with revalue references to avoid any unforeseen consequences. And with that, we've reached the end of our discussion. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on this topic. Until next time, happy coding!